In order for the customer to maintain the fabric on their awning, they're gonna need to do a little preventative maintenance. Now, if the customer is at a campsite and it's raining and they have to roll it up wet, what they're gonna do is they're going to, at one point or another, it's gonna dry up, they're gonna extend that out and let the awning dry, and then they can retract it and store it for periods of time. But if they do actually get some mold and mildew on the awning itself, what they can do is they can mix together 5 gallons of water and a 1/4 cup of soap, dish soap, mix that together and liberally put that on the awning, and then they're gonna roll the awning up backwards and wait 5 minutes. Then they're going to extend that back out and wash it off with fresh water. That's gonna clean the awning off. Now, if they have to do that a few times to get it all off of there, that's fine. But before you store it, let that dry out completely and you guys will be good to go. Now, if the fabric on your awning needs to be repaired, you can order a repair kit through Lippert Components.